Well, this is about how it's going so far today. Not every day you see the hood in the back of your truck. It is time to put the engine in. All set. Everything is ready to go. The intakes are all taped up. I even have the exhaust all taped up. I don't have any oil in it yet because there's some cooling lines that go to the radiator, and that's still in the truck, so I'll install that when it's in. We'll put some oil in it. I would absolutely love to see this truck run today. Fingers crossed. It's sunny out now. It's only 2 o'clock, but the sun goes down by 4, so I will likely have the floodlight out, working under floodlight. I gotta stop filming now, or else I'm never gonna get this done. This is my current state of affairs. It's about 8 o'clock. Engine's in. I've mated with the transmission. Just put a couple of last things in the bottom of the engine. Attaching some bolts to the starter. Just the power leads. Everything else is bolted in down there. Alright guys, so before I can get the truck tuned properly, I need to install wideband oxygen sensor. Alright, so I got the driver's side exhaust manifold still sitting here, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to drill a hole somewhere in the top here, right around there, plop that bung in there, weld it in, and then I'll have a place to put my new wideband oxygen sensor. I have no doubt the truck's going to run, but to get the best tune, I need to put this wideband in. Okay, so it's time to try the first start. I've been working on the tuning here, just do some basic things here. I've gone into the HP Tuners editor and disabled the displacement on demand and the variable valve timing as just starter points here. I took the base tune and that's all I've done to it, just to get the truck to start up for the first time. I got the exhaust all bolted up. Everything's bolted up just enough just to get it running. There's undoubtedly going to be other things I need to do. Holy crap, it's alive. Barbie's alive. I'm stoked. We got some work to do still. The tune doesn't know anything about all these new parts, so I got some tuning to do. I did install a wideband oxygen sensor, an AEM 30-0300 wideband oxygen sensor, and I've got that hooked right into my HP Tuners ProLink And yeah, so I'm gonna take a look at the log file, see if I saw anything weird. I did run a scan on the HP Tuner scanner on that startup, so I have something to look at, see if I notice anything out of the ordinary. I did notice the wideband was working correctly, so we are getting good readings there. Yeah, just gotta take a look at all this tuning now. So, fuck yeah. Yes. All right, everyone, that's gonna do it for the Barbie Project Part 5. I really appreciate all your views and everyone's feedback on the Barbie project so far. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get as much footage for this video as I wanted to, but I really was focused on getting the truck back together, and I really tried hard to get it to run that night that I put the engine in, but it was over 8 hours that I spent. It was like 10 o'clock when I wrapped up for the night. And it was the next day that I got it running. This project's been a ton of fun for me. It's made a huge mess of my trailer. Looking around, there's crap everywhere. If you guys have any questions about the Barbie project or about me or my channel, drop a comment down in the comment section below. I always respond to every comment so far. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end up doing one more Barbie project video just to cover some of the tuning and some of the other final touches of buttoning up the truck. I'm totally stoked that it started up on the first try. That was so awesome. Really rough around the edges, but it started, and yeah, that's awesome. It's alive. All right, well, if you guys liked the video, smash that like button. If you didn't, well, you know what to do. Hit subscribe if you're not already subscribed. You want to see more videos from Nick.tv. I will be wrapping up season 3 here pretty soon. I should have done that back in December, but the Barbie project kept me going. And yeah, one more Barbie project video. That might be a wrap on season 3. And hopefully I got some new and exciting things coming in season 4 of Nick.tv. So hopefully that will be in February of 2021. Of course, my light died. If you guys have any things you'd like to see, any video series you'd like to see me do, just drop a comment down below. I'm happy to take suggestions. Until next time, I hope you guys are staying safe and staying healthy. Okay, bye. So this is my current, okay.